Peace, peace. What's going on with you good people? You sure already know you back with your homeboy Wrenchturna. Hey, I'm I'm gonna be bringing some things to you today and talking to you about some things. Basically about me changing out my turntable disc, if you will. You know what I mean? They like records, but I got something new today, so I gotta share it with you guys. All right? You know the vibes. Run my intro.
Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling hey,
Feeling real heavy.
like down low. It's
C-Pop, baby.
It's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
Yo, what it do? What it do? So I'm here in front of the turntables right now. I already got the old ones off, so I just got them kind of sitting here, whatnot, so I can open a new package. What the? What the hell? Oh wow! So stuff in here kind of cushions the package or whatnot. I guess I opened it at the wrong point. Now I got a vacuum in here. Look at this. Yeah, I just brush it off. I got a vacuum anyway with all that stuff on the ground. Oh, wow. So, this package came from Sweetwater. If you don't know, that's a big place for anything audio, video, anything that you're doing, alright? So, first off, I want to say big shout out to Sweetwater. Oh, and they sent me a sticker too. I love stickers, man. Love stickers. Shouts out to Sweetwater. And look what else they sent me. This is crazy. It says our sweet way of saying thank you. They send you a little bag of candy. That's what's up, man. Big shouts out to Sweetwater. So let's get into why we're here, which is this piece of magnificence here. Alright? On the back it says more than a piece of wax. It truly is. Let's open this thing. Let's see how they look. Like I said, big shouts out to Sweetwater, man. Like, I don't even be eating candy like that no more, but yeah, I appreciate it. Sheesh. Wow. Brand new vinyls. Let me check and make sure that, oh, I'm messing up. Messing up out here. Ooh, that's pretty. That's real sexy. And I like how it's like an actual vinyl record. Like it has an A side on one, and then on the other side it has a B side. That's really dope. So I'll show you how these things look before the install. Got the little plastic cases like So this is how they look with them on. Hotel. Yo, I love it. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna put the A side over here and the B side over here. I mean, all it is a flip of the records. But yeah, I'm gonna put the A side over here and the B side over here. Just, you know, like going from left to right type. And I still have to take these off. So you disconnect them from here and they go through like so. I wish it was made with like the holes already in them, like the 3 holes already in them, so then I don't have to put holes in them myself. But small thing to a giant, it is what it is. So I don't know. I think when I dig into doing this, I put my tools up. Yeah, I did. I put my tools up. This is going to be easy though, because when I take it off, all I have to do is place this one on top of that one, take a Sharpie, make little dots, and use the drill, make the holes, put it on there, screw it through, screw it onto it, then take this part right here and screw it back down onto the actual turntable. Or do I? That doesn't seem to be the case. On this one, it looks as if this middle part right here has been taken out completely. Because if you look at it right here, you can see down in it, like the whole thing has been like drilled out or cut out maybe. So I think I may do my new ones the same way. I don't know. I kind of like how I got the A and B on it though. So I don't know. At this point right now, I do not know. I think I might ask. Wow, I was not in focus this whole time? That's crazy. I think I may ask, you know, a few of my DJ friends how they did theirs or whatever may have you. So I'm not really going to tackle it right now because I have to go to the shop. So I am going to put this here for later. Again, big shouts out to Sweetwater for my new vinyls. I really, really do like them. Blah. Love how it's going down. Make sure you guys visit VaulsandBridges.com. Stop by and stay fly. You know the vibes. Today is Haitian Flag Day, so of course you know I'm being real festive. Alright? So stop by, stay fly. Make sure you pull up on the channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Talk to you guys real soon. Wrenchturna out. Wrenchturna out.